Gondor vertical dough mixer. Dough mixer series. Adjusting the speed to control the texture of the dough. Flour is thoroughly mixed. Improve production efficiency. Increase capacity design. Strong and durable. Install protective devices. Improve production efficiency. Pour in the raw materials. Two-way rotation and stirring. Fast dough mixing, non-stick and non-caking. Make the dough more uniform. High water absorption rate up to 57%. One-button automatic cylinder turnover. Application graduate display. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability.